It's travel day. Are you excited?
And from all children are welcome to board.
You done got scared, or you okay? Okay.
Where is it?
This is what they're going.
You okay? If you feel nauseous, let me know. It's gonna jerk a little minute just till we get. It's gonna jerk just a little bit just till we get on up in the air like we're supposed to be. But then that'll be okay after that. How was that experience for you? You made it. I just realized I actually forgot to show the refrigerator in the room. It did have a safe and a refrigerator in those little black cabinets. When we first got to Vegas, we didn't do anything. We were so hungry. We got there about 2, maybe almost 3 o'clock. So it was not time to check in. What we did, we went to a burger joint, in which y'all finna see. But this is the inside of of Paris, Las Vegas hotel. It was absolutely beautiful. I had never stayed there before, so I did want to experience that along with my son. Now here we went to Gordon Ramsay's burger joint. I got their stout burger, which was really, really good. Me and my son shared the truffle fries. He got wings along with his burger. He said the wings were okay, but he should have got them fried hard. They look good, but he said they just needed to be fried harder. The food was really, really good. I think it was worth the money. I paid $30 with the stout burger and the truffle fries. So pretty, it was okay. Here we went and we just checked out the statues, the beautiful statues and stuff that was in the hotel. We did a lot of walking, a lot of sightseeing. When I tell y'all, the sights in Vegas are what I come for. Amazing. Ooh, it scared me. That was fast. Let me get out the way for they blow me. For our second day in Vegas, I wanted my son to experience the buffets. We went up to Luxor buffet because I had a buy one, get one from my Vegas slots game. It was a buy one, get one free buffet. It was $30.99. I wanted to take my son because that was one of the cheaper buffets, and I wanted to see what he thought about the buffet because we both love buffets. He didn't like most of his food, and the best part for me was my dessert. So that goes to show it's not for me. It's not worth the $30. Even if you and a person splitting it, if y'all split it 15 apiece, yeah, maybe that, but the food just wasn't good. This is the inside of Caesar's Palace. Gotta check it out. This is a must-see. Very beautiful on the inside. On our last night, me and my son did go over to Fremont Street. Fremont Street was a vibe, so make sure if you going to Vegas, you check out Fremont Street. I thought it was very important to add this part in here. This was my son's first time ever flying, and there may be other first-time flyers. Allegiant almost made us miss our flight. They changed the gate from 6 to 3 back to 6 without any notifications to my phone. How we found out, we were listening to the people around us, and they say, oh, we're supposed to be at gate 3. We go and sit at gate 3 for a little while. Never see anybody come to the stand. And so I go back up to gate 6 to check and see what was going on. No information up there. It was another flight still on the board. So I walked back down to Terminal 3 to let my son know what was going on. As I was walking back, I stopped and asked the lady, how would I find out, whether a flight had changed? She was trying to help me out and give me information. As she was doing that, I hear them calling back up at gate 6 for boarding for our flight. So I go down there, get my son, ask him, did he hear boarding? Never heard anything. Y'all check your board. We almost missed our flight. I paid for priority boarding and wasted money. Be careful with Allegiant.